So I'm just going to run it to its final spin because I just can't be bothered to do another rinse. It doesn't need another one. It's only a little load anyway, so... Oh, I thought it was going to be final spin, I would have left it. Oh well. I don't think I can do 4 loads in this because it will just be a nightmare. Probably the whole whole thing will go through. The amount of vibration it will be if I put a full load in it. If it's on a smooth floor, if it's on a proper floor, then I would. But it's because it's on a bedroom floor, if you know what I mean. It's on carpet. That's pretty balanced. It's that black thing though. It goes no matter what at first, and then it will see if it's... Okay, it went through. Because if the pump turns off, that means it's too unbalanced, but it wasn't, so it does that normally. I love it when it does the spins though. I feel like I might just put it on service mode just to abort the bloody... just go straight into it. Because it does have the pump on, so I feel like I just want to advance it to 1300, just get out of the way. But no, I'm not going to do that, I'm going to let it do properly. There we go. I like what it does though. Oh, that's not too bad. And the others, that's not too bad. Is that the springs? I hope that's not too bad a sign, because I'm probably... Nah, it's nothing too bad. Oh Jesus Christ, that's unbalanced. That's vibrating a lot. God, my dad's probably going to get angry in a minute. This is so nice. I'm tempted to turn it off. Nah, it's too bad, it's too bad. No, I can't do that, I can't do that. I'm gonna put it on service mode just to annoy my dad.